Welcome dear students. Now in today's class, so this is very important question for annual examination. Every student must and should listen this properly and practice the same model question which is given in example also. So the most important question in examination point of view. So we please be careful and listen each and every step properly. And here this is the given polynomial. And here root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3, these two are zeros of this polynomial. Actually it is fourth degree polynomial. Fourth degree polynomial means this polynomial has 4 zeros, but out of 4 zeros they have given 2 zeros. They are root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3, and we have to find the remaining 2 zeros. And how do we find? Let us see. First of all, what is a given polynomial? Given polynomial is 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. And zeros. What are the zeros? Zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. It means they are x values. So therefore, x is equals to root 5 by 3 and x is equals to minus root 5 by 3. Yes, this plus becomes minus when you shift left side. We get x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 will be zeros of this polynomial. If they are zeros, these expressions are the factors. If these are the zeros, these will be the factors of the given polynomial. Now let us simplify. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b is, we get a square minus b square. So therefore, first term, that is a square, minus second term, that is root 5 by 3 whole square. So the square root gets cancelled. So we get x square minus 5 by 3. This is x square minus 5 by 3. This will be equals to 0 because it is a factor of this polynomial. When it is a factor of this polynomial, then the remainder will be 0. And just simplify. 1, 3, LCM is 3. By cross multiplication, 3 into x square, 3x square minus 5 is equal to 0. So finally, we get 3x square minus 5 is equals to 0 because 3 shifted to right side, it will be multiplied by 0. So finally, we get 3x square minus 5 is a factor. Therefore, 3x square minus 5 is a factor of this polynomial. Now we have to find the remaining 2 zeros. To find the remaining 2 zeros, you find the quotient. You divide this polynomial by this factor, you get some quotient. Then that quotient should be factorized, then you will get the remaining 2 zeros. So this is the first process, first step. Now half of the solution is finished. Now let's divide the given polynomial by this factor. So what do we get? Let us see. Yes, this is 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. You divide this polynomial by 3x square minus 5. You know the procedure. Already we have discussed many questions in our previous videos. First term of the dividend, that is first step, 3x power 4. By the first term of the divisor, that is 3x square. 3 gets cancelled. 2 x terms gets cancelled. 2 more are left. So this will be the first term of the quotient. That quotient should be multiplied by the whole expression. That is 3x square into x square, 3x to the power of 4. Since 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus into plus minus 5 into x square, 5x square. That's why they should be grouped the like terms. That's why I have taken this 5x square just below the x square, not below x cube. Plus become minus, minus become plus, both gets cancelled. So according to descending order of powers, you take it down. 6x cube, there is no like term to subtract or add. So just take it down as it is. This is plus 5x square minus 2x square. Symbols are different. Plus is there, minus. Go for subtraction. Big number 5 minus small number 2. 5 minus 2, 3. But big number is in positive. So you get positive symbol. Plus 3x square minus 10x. And coming to the second step. So what is the first term of the dividend? We have discussed many questions in our previous video. First term, dividend by first term of the divisor, 3x square. First of all, cancel quotient. This 3 ones, 3 table we can divide it. First of all, simplify or cancel the constant terms. And next variable 2x gets cancelled. 1x is left. So finally, this is 2x, which is called the second term of the quotient. 2x. 2x should be multiplied by this whole expression. 2x into 3. 2 3s are 6. X into x square, x cube. Since 2 plus 1, 3. And minus into plus minus, 5 2s are 10x. I have taken x just below the x to group the like terms. Minus, it becomes plus. And finally, what are left? 3x square minus 10x plus 10x gets cancelled. And the last constant term is minus 5. And it is 3x square minus 5. And this is also 3x square minus 5. Just in one table. 3x square minus 5 ones are 3x square minus 5. You don't need to go for the third step because directly we have got the similar expression. So multiply by 1, you get this. Plus become minus, minus become plus. Both get cancelled, 0. We got remainder 0. It means x square plus 2x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. If it is a factor, then find the factors of this polynomial. Find the factors of this polynomial or zeros of that polynomial. That zeros will become automatically the zeros of this, remaining 2 zeros of this polynomial. Let us see. Here what is the given expression? X square plus 2x plus 1. Just simplify by using middle term splitting method. That is x square plus 2x can be written as 1x and 1x. And here first group, second group, this model questions already we have discussed in our previous videos. 1x is left here. 1x is common because x is repeated in both the terms. 1x is left and x is taken out in place of x. No number, no constant, no variable, so 1 is left. And here no constant is repeated, no variable is repeated. So just 1 will be the common factor in such type of cases and it becomes x plus 1. So x plus 1, x plus 1. You take it as the common expression and remaining terms x plus 1. It becomes x plus 1 and x plus 1 are the factors of this polynomial. Means x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what would be the values of x? X is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to minus 1. Both are plus 1 becomes minus 1, plus 1 becomes minus 1. So finally, in the given question, already they have given 2 factors, 2 zeros. Now we got 2 zeros. So finally 4 zeros. So you can write now in your solution, in the result, what should we write? So therefore, the remaining 2 zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 or minus 1 minus 1. So this is most important question for examination point of view. Already I have told you just before going to start this problem. So my dear children, everybody practice. You can expect a question in the examination. Even in your internal examinations also, they will give you even internal examination or SA1. So all the examination, they cover this question. So same model problem is given in your textbook, example problem. So practice it properly. Let's see one more question of this same exercise. That is fourth question. Here the given polynomial is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. We have to divide this polynomial by g of x. What is g of x? We don't know. That we are going to find actually. If you divide this polynomial by g of x, then you get quotient x minus 2 remainder minus 2x plus 4. If the quotient and remainder are these, then find g of x. By what polynomial we have to divide? That we have to find. It's very easy. And first of all, you write the dividend, or that is division rule. You know that what is division rule? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Just substitute the values. This is given polynomial is always called dividend. That is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equals to divisor. By what we have to divide? By g of x into quotient. What is there? Given quotient is x minus 2 and given remainder is minus 2x plus 4. To find g of x, we have to make it as subject. To make it as subject, g of x, shift minus 2x plus 4 left side. So we get x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 2x is shifted to left side and becomes plus 4 becomes minus 4. And here it is g of x into x minus 2. Yes, simplify this. X cube, there is no like term for x cube. X square, there is no like term for x square. X, there is a like term for x. So just add them because both are in positive. Plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3x. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. That is g of x into quotient x minus 2. But we are going to, the question is find g of x. To find g of x and shift x minus 2 left side. So we get g of x is equals to this whole polynomial is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 and whole divided by x minus 2. It means if you want to find g of x, this polynomial should be divided by x minus 2. Find the division process. So in the division process, you may get some quotient. So that becomes the solution. Let us divide. Let us divide this polynomial by this polynomial. Yes. Yes, as you know that, follow the steps. First step. So what is the first step? First term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. 1x gets cancelled. 2x's are left, that is x square is called the first term of the quotient. It should be multiplied by the whole expression. X square into x cube and minus into plus minus 2 into x square, that is 2x square, and plus this plus become minus, both get cancelled, and minus plus minus become plus, minus plus symbols are different, you know that. Go for subtraction. Big number 3 minus small number 2, we get 1, but big number is in negative, so you get a negative symbol, that is 1x square plus 3x and minus 2. And coming to the second step, as you know, the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So only 1x is left, minus x is left. Symbols are very important. And minus x into plus x. Minus into plus minus x into x square. And minus into minus plus 2 into x, that is 2x. And minus become plus become minus. They get cancelled. Plus 3 minus 2 is 1x. And the last term constant is taken down. And this is x minus 2. Even the quotient, even the divisor also is x minus 2. So in which table? One table. X minus 2 ones are x minus 2. So minus plus all they get cancelled. We got remainder 0. So therefore, what is the quotient? X square minus x plus 1. So therefore, write in your result. What is the question? The question is find g of x. So what is g of x? Therefore, g of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1. So that's it.